The examination paper's packing and distribution process begins with the information coming from User's Information System that sends daily production reports to the SITMA supervisor computer. Once the information is loaded on the SITMA computer, the production starts. Examination papers feeding 100% accuracy, counting according to the required number by reading the unique barcode on the product. The SITMA controller takes the control of the daily production until its completion and exports the production information back to the user's system. The documents collection is now ready for a unique, perfect and tamper-evident longitudinal and cross-sealing. Each pack is then completed with its contents and dispatch information printed in real time on a label that is deposited onto the bag, and for added security, a check weigher ensures the contents of the bag has the correct quantity before passing under a barcode scanner that advises the SITMA PC that this particular bag is complete. The bags then travel automatically via a system of SITMA conveyors to the correct storage zone located over 3 different floors, where the bags are manually rescanned to ensure they are placed with bags for other subjects in the correct box, according to its final school or academic establishment. Once all the bags for that establishment have been produced and placed into the carton is transferred to the SITMA dispatch system. The cartons are placed onto an accumulation conveyor, which one by one feeds the carton to the SITMA D elevator. The carton is delivered into another check weigher to ensure that all the bags are present within their carton, then onto a labeling system for a final dispatch label. The carton is then transferred into a SITMA shrink wrapper to ensure it is protected before finally being cross-strapped for added security. The carton finally passes under another barcode scanner to report back to the SITMA PC that the carton has been dispatched.